Hello everyone. So today we are solving a question of JEE ADV 2020. This is on the topic of atomic structure, and this is one of the questions where normal formulas fail here, and you can't remember anything to solve this question. You just have to be very much stick to the postulate and the theorems given by the great scientists here. So let's first read the question. So they're given a particle of mass m which moves in circular orbits with potential energy this, where f is a positive constant and r is its distance from origin. Its energy are calculated using the Bohr model. If the radius of particles orbits are denoted by this respectively the nth orbit, here h is the Planck's constant, so we have to tell what is the radius proportional to, what is velocity proportional to, and what is the energy here. So to solve this, you must know that what Bohr has actually given. So the two things which Bohr has given is that mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi, that is the angular momentum should be multiple of h by 2 pi. This is the only thing Bohr has said, and the rest of the formulas we derive from general equations. Okay, and the second thing which he has given, that the centripetal force acting is the attraction force or something. So we can write that Fc is equal to nothing but mv square by r. So using these two things, we have to derive all those relations here. Okay. So let's first write what is the potential energy given here. V of r is equal to Fr. Okay. So what is V of r, or the potential? Potential is not, I mean, the force is nothing but it is equal to minus del u by del r. Okay. If you do like this, so what you will get, if we differentiate it with respect to r, so we will get force is equal to constant F. Okay, I should denote them differently. We can write F like F vector. So magnitude of the force is nothing but is equal to F. We can write minus F, but the magnitude is nothing but magnitude of F is equal to F. Okay, capital F. So this is the force. So now we can write that the centripetal force which is acting here is equal to m v square by r. Okay, mv square by r. Also, we know one more equation we have, that is mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Okay. Now, if we put what we have to find here, r. Okay. So to find r, what we can do, we can put the value of v here, because v is one of the variable that we do not know. So v is nothing but nh by 2 pi mr. If we put it here, so f we will get as m and okay nh n square h square by r 4 pi square m r square m square and r square. Okay, we will write r as capital R all the places. Okay, now if we take r at that side, so we will get r cube is equal to m n square h square by 4 pi square m square, and f is also a constant. So if we take the power 3 at that side, so r is proportional to, we can clearly see, and 2 by 3. Okay, so we can eliminate option from here, but we will further do the calculations further if someone will not get from this way. So now we have to put in v. What is v? V is equal to nh by 2 pi mr. So we can write that v is equal to something k times n by r. Okay, where r is proportional to n of 2 by 3. So what v will be proportional to n of power 1 divided by n of power 2 by 3. So if v is nothing proportional to n of 1 minus 2 by 3, that is v is proportional to n to the power 1 by 3. Hence our option B is absolutely correct. Now we have to find for the our energy. So what is total energy in an atomic structure? It is nothing but K plus P, kinetic energy, plus the potential energy. What is kinetic energy? It is nothing but half mv square. And what is potential energy? It is given here as F of Fy. Okay. Now let's do the calculations. What is mv square can be? Okay, so for this, I think we should have calculated the mv plus Fr. Now, if you look here, like we have written somewhere that mv square by r is nothing but it is equal to F. So we can say mv square is equal to Fr. So Fr plus half Fr, that is 3 by 2 times Fr. Okay, let me check whether in the option they have mentioned F or removed F. So yeah, we can have F here. So now we can write 3 by 2 Fr. Now R we have to calculate as R is nothing but 3 by 2 F into R is m n square h square by 4 pi square m square f to the power 1 by 3. Now if you look at F, that F is 1 power 1 here and 1 by 3 here, so it is ultimately 3 by 2 f to the power 2 by 3 m to the power 1 by 3, I mean 1 minus 1, so minus 1 by 3, something like that. So we can match all the options and you will ultimately get the option C. So let me write the answer. It is Nothing but option C. Thank you, everyone.